Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kekchain. K-E-K, that's the ticker symbol. Kekchain, all one word, is the name of the coin. We're going to go over this coin here in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Kekchain, or coin, I should say. I use token and coin interchangeably. Y'all people are just going to have to deal with it. A lot of people do that, and some people are very like, oh, you have to say coin when it's a blockchain, and you have to say token when it's on the blockchain, yada, 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 yada. When you can mine them, it's a coin. When you know what I mean? So, calm down, people. You can use them interchangeably. It's okay, all right? It just flies out of my mouth. And even on CoinGecko here, it says the following token, right? So even at CoinGecko, even these major places are using them interchangeably. So let's calm down about that. I get comments all the time. It's a token, not a coin. It's a coin, not a token. Chill, homie. All right. So the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. So it has a warning here on CoinGecko, so just be aware of that warning. It says do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So they can change the tax rates post-deployment, so just be aware of that. All right, that can be dangerous, and I'm not saying it's a scam. I'm just saying it has the potential to be, so just be aware of that and do your own research. Now, ticker symbol is KEK. This token just got listed on CoinGecko today, and it's doing amazing. It's up 51.2% since its listing here today. Kekchain.com is their official webpage. They also have a full link tree listed on CoinGecko, along with their Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, Etherscan, contract address, price chart. All that stuff is available on here. So actually, this is a token. It's not a chain yet. So a lot of these tokens are going to be chains in the future, and they kind of crowdfunded by having a token first come out. Usually, it's on the BNB chain, but this one's on Ethereum. So yeah, a lot of chains will come out there, and you think, oh, this is a brand new blockchain, but no, this one's on Uniswap. So if you want to buy this token, you can basically fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet. With Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and trade your Ethereum for the Kekchain token using the contract address provided on CoinGecko. You can find it on their Etherscan as well, and you can also find it on Kekchain.com. Yeah, so it is a token. I mean, that whole rant I just did was for nothing. So anyways, eventually it will be a blockchain, it seems like, though. So Kekchain, a fast and secure blockchain for DeFi friends. Building an EVM-compatible and scalable blockchain for friends. They do have a full white paper listed on here. Let's see if it works. Okay, so this document explains how Kekchain is structured. Okay, so this is real technical and not cool at all. Token allocation, anyways, for this the Ethereum Kekchain token here. It says total supply is 1 billion tokens, and 36% go to public pre-sale, 19.5% go to private sale, seed sale, 24% liquidity on Uniswap, 10% vested team tokens, 1.5% airdrops, 5% vested marketing tokens for 3 months, 3% vesting strategic partners and reserve tokens. And tax, 10% sell tax. So if you're going to, it doesn't say buy tax though, so maybe you can buy this token and you don't have to set slippage at all. And then when you're going to sell it, it says just 10% sell tax, and 6% goes to development, 4% marketing. So just be aware of that. Yeah, so it goes over what is a blockchain. So yeah, they increase the sell tax to incentivize holding, obviously. We don't need to go. It gives you terms on their white paper. What is a blockchain? What is the Ethereum virtual machine? What are nodes? What are smart contracts? All that type of stuff. You don't need to go over any of that. And yeah, then it goes over. Oh, so there's a roadmap on here. Let's check that out. So they started in Q3 2022. So far they've done public testnet, block explorer for testnet. What's coming up next? They're going to have market tracker listing, central exchange listing. Then Q4 this year, mainnet beta development, block explorer for mainnet, marketing campaign, open partnership for ecosystem. And then next year, 2023, they're going to have ecosystem development, launch of APU swap, so they're going to have their own swap, wrapped USDT and USDC support, and then onboard more developers and partners. So, yeah. Let's see here. So, it goes over, yeah, what is a Genesis file? And, yeah, that's not important. None of this stuff is important here for what this is about here. So, here we are. Okay, so it says it's fast, scalable, and secure. Why are we building Kekchain? Scaling is not enough. While increasing their transaction throughput, blockchains must retain two fundamental properties of blockchain technology: decentralization and security. This usually is called the blockchain trilemma. We've developed blockchain as a sidechain to Ethereum with friendly gas fees for APU and friends, or APU, I should say, because that's how it's spelled. So it says you can bridge assets between Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Shiba Inu. It says super scalable blockchain, powerful DeFi platform. Developed for decentralized apps. Developed for decentralized apps, built Ethereum dApps or dApps with minimal configuration changes. No need to rewrite or configure your smart contracts. They'll work right away. Use Ethereum-based tools you love like MetaMask, Remix, Hardhat, Waffle, and Truffle. Support the Solidity, Viper, and anything that compiles to EVM bytecode. So it's EVM compatible. Kekchain is EVM compatible. It means you can swap, bridge Kek assets with another EVM compatible chain. Example, Ethereum to Kek mainnet. Also, build your first dApp if you want to do that. Build your first dApps on Kek using Ethereum-based tools you love like MetaMask, Remix, Hardhat, Waffle, and Truffle. Support for Solidity, Viper, and anything that compiles to EVM bytecode. And at the bottom of the page here, they do have a document section, home section, roadmap, white paper, blockchain explorer, privacy policy, Twitter, and Telegram that you can all check out. Kekchain.com. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.